Department of Information and Public Relations (DIPR) Manipur observed National Press Day with senior editors, journalists and reporters at DIPR Auditorium today. As part of the program, a workshop on a theme, Safeguarding Press Credibility Amidst Rising Misinformation, was also held. During the observance, Manipur State Journalist Award was presented to noted journalists in 7 categories recognizing their contribution in the field. The program was attended by IPR Secretary Huingyo Warshang, IPR Director Ngangom Uttam Singh, and Senior Journalist Pradeep Panjobam as key presidium members. Speaking on the occasion, Huingyo Warshang stressed on preserving press freedom and credibility. He emphasized the growing challenges faced by journalists from sporadic misinformation using artificial intelligence and said that press serves a crucial role in presenting truthful news to the public. He said the theme is strikingly relevant to this day and encouraged to gain valuable insights from the workshop.
Press journalists media challenges credibility is in case we see the wholeheartedly as a professional platform library Manipur challenges pressure group see the press fact to objectively information shared challenges media platforms see the maneuver press force from different angle. At the same time, fact tabang talk chuma a Sandoki decision low the system lepon by Yamna Baheta. Simatam Sida press chuna even lepon by in a Canada Yamsi Marakati adjustment. There are lots of factors, lots of aspects. Press objectives of man and about Henna, Chumna Chakamaki, Pangal Hectare, strength and moral authority. They know what I say as a high evolution. Thank you.